नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड, एक वीडियो क्लिप है जिसमें आईबॉक के जनरल सेक्रेटरी श्री रूपम राय 26 अप्रैल को हैदराबाद में स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ऑफिसर्स के एनुअल फंक्शन में बोल रहे थे। उसकी स्पीच वीडियो क्लिप में आपको अटैच कर रहा हूं। आप सुनिए कि कॉमरेड रूपम राय के क्या वर्जन है, क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।
Written that every year it will be renewed. Why it is written? Because for the ex gratia amount that is there, if it is not written that bank has to provide 5.6 times of the ex gratia amount that is paid, 1500 crores into 5.6 times as the amount that bank has to provide for. That's why this clause was put. There was nothing agreement that it will be reviewed every year. So in the IBI meeting when this was read, I told the MD sitting there, said we know why this clause was put. We will not take undue advantage. What I am requesting is that PQP and the special pay that has come in State Bank of India, let this be the benchmark, and the special pay given to the clerical staff in State Bank of India, benchmark for all the people, and take this small increase, 2-3,000 will be there. This is one. Regarding the DA, already the discussion is there. That the DA, the formula cost neutral we said, because 1960 series that is not yet published. Now what we are published by the government is 2016 series, and we are multiplying with the factors to go back to 1960 series. So it is cost neutral in 2016 series, that only we said, and that also they are working out. This is I can say work in progress. And regarding the updation of pension and the NPS, these are the very two important, NPS to OPS, these are very close. And see, ultimately it is government will, the political will of the government also takes into account. Now how to build the political will, that also we have to do. So many important political parties are from your state. So you also reach out to them, it will help, and some pressure built up from there we will also reach, so that ultimately we can clinch. Just to clarify, thank you so much.